Welcome back. Today we have this problem called number of good pairs. And given an array of integers nums, return the number of good pairs. A good pair is I and j is called a good pair if nums of I equals nums of j and I is less than j. For example, for this one we have 4 good pairs. So we have 0 and 3. So this 0 and 3. And 0 and 4, so 0 and 4, we have 3 and 4, these 2, and 2 and 5, these 2, and yeah, this is the pair that we have. So let's just go to the sketch real quick, and I want to have this one. Okay, let's just scroll here, and can I make this white? Because I want it to be white. Okay, and let's have this one, and let's make it red. Okay, so there's two ways coming to my mind to solve this problem. One of them is that to use a brute force. For example, is that we are on 1, so we just loop for 1. After that, start to compare 1 to all of its other numbers, and do this for 2, 3, 1, and 1 and 3, and this will be O of n squared. And I have better solution that we could use a hash map. So for example, we have 1 and we use the hash map, and if we find 1 in the hash map, that map is empty, so we have 1 and we have it, and then we store it there. 2 we store it there, 3 we store it there, 1 we store it there. But when we start to store 1, we find that 1 equal it's in this hash map. So we let's for example, we have a count to count how many good pairs we have, so we increase it by 1, and we loop again. We have this one, and it's a good match, so it will increase it by 1, so it will be 2. And we have also when we end like the loop, we start at 2 with the same 3, so on and so forth, and it will be O of n, the time complexity. So let's just start in the code real quick. So in the code we will start it like that. First of all, we will just have our count variable that will count the pair, and we return this count. And after that, I will have a let map hash table, like it will be equals a new map, and I will say I'll make a for loop, let I equals 0, I less than nums dot length, and I plus plus, and I will say if not map dot has nums of I. If the nums of I is not there, so what we should do, first of all, we should save it in the map, so it will be map dot set num, and we maybe give it a value of 1. That's it. Nums of I, and we give it the value of 1. Let's say that if it's there, that means it's a good pair, because we are just to continue looping, so we make sure that j is all the time bigger than I. So I will say let current count will equals map dot get num, because we want to know how many numbers. Okay, I will try to describe this one. So how many nums of I, and I will increase the count plus equals the current count. I will increase it by the current count, and after that I will update the actual set nums of I. It will be equals current count plus 1, and that's it. So basically, let's just talk about these 3 lines. So first of all, we loop, and if we find the element or the num in the map, if we don't find it, we add it to the map, and we just give it a number, which is 1. However, if we found it, However, if we found it, first of all, we get its value. We get how many times it was appeared in this in the array, and after getting its value, we increase the count by its value. Because if it was 2, that means, and with this one was a 3, that means that this one was appeared 3 times. So we just display, and after that we have map.set, and we just update the value with the new current count, so to make sure that we are getting the right count. So let's just submit, and yeah, that's it. So this problem is asked by Google, Apple, and Amazon, and it's a pretty important problem. It's a really important one, just to make sure that you solve it. So that's it for this video. I hope my search was quite good. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you didn't understand my solution, make sure to give me a comment so I could make another video specifically for you. So that's it for this video, and hope that I can see you in future videos.